Simply more secure. The SteriWhite Air from Hernle, the UVC sterilizer for safer room air. Harmful viruses like the coronavirus, bacteria and spores can build up in enclosed space. With the easy-to-use SteriWhite Air, you can sterilize up to 99.99% of the room air. The air circulation system directs air from the room into the SteriWhite Air. Here, viruses and bacteria lingering in the air pass over two UVC lamps. These deactivate the germs and render them harmless without using chemicals or forming ozone. The sterilized air is then fed back into the room. During operation, the SteriWhite Air runs very quietly, and thanks to its particularly long-lasting UVC lamps, requires very little maintenance. The lamps are securely built into a sturdy, powder-coated steel sheet case. The compact unit can sterilize up to 115 cubic meters of room air every hour and is perfect as a supplement to existing hygiene concepts, making it ideal for continuous use in hotels, restaurants, bars, schools, offices or medical practices. SteriWhite Air, simply more secure.